Okay, if you look at this, there is a trade that was taken yesterday morning. This trade, I managed to get into this trade, so I'm going to show a recap, your trade, and then also show the potential trade that I have for today. So if we can go to the 5-minute time frame, I always enter on the 1-minute time frame. So we had a line, we had a zone around these areas because the market has been tapping this place, tapping and go, tapping and go, tapping and go. So it was easy for me to just get a zone here, just draw a zone. It was easy for me to do that. So the market was tapping and going on this zone, and I also had an area around here, and the market broke through this, and the market, okay, let's put and the market broke through this, and also unfortunately I was asleep at this place, so I couldn't even trade here. Luckily, if I was awake and I were to take a trade, maybe I was gonna lose it. So lucky for me, lucky for me, lucky for me. And then we go to our 1-minute time frame where we managed to take. So I had this kind of trend line here, also had another trend line. It was like this at first, and then also when I look at my confirmation, I use a MACD for a confirmation and moving average. When I looked at my confirmation around these areas, it wasn't clear. It wasn't clear, but there was. If we look at MACD around these areas, my MACD was showing a lot of signs. These signs like this, signs like this. The market is looking to reverse. Signs like this on the MACD, they were present. But when we got to this place, I asked myself why I'm about to enter here. If I were to enter at the trough of this MACD, right here, if I were to enter on this trough of the MACD, I don't like when this square thing happens before I enter a trade. I do not like that personally. So for me, it was about I let this trade go or I just wait for my opportunity. And clearly, this was a fake out. Maybe some people, if they trade like me, they took this trade and then they took a loss. That's a maybe. That's a maybe. That's not a sure thing. So for me, it was easy to just adjust my MACD to this place. And then also I was licking my fingers when the market reached these areas, because I know what this is a trusted zone, this is a trusted level. So for me, it was a no-brainer to just enter this trade here, because I had a line on my MACD like this, and then I just needed this confirmation for the trust. Also looked at my MA, the market trust, the MA. It gave me that trust, and I looked at the bars, of the MACD, 1, 2, 3 bars. So for me, my entry was below this trend candle. My entry stops above, and the market went up a little bit, tapped me in actually here. I got tapped in on this candle here. I got tapped in around these areas, and my risk to reward is always 1 is to 1.5. 1 is to 1 or 1.5. So this is the trade for tomorrow. Just a quick recap. And today I was, because it looks like it's going without me. So trusted zone again. I had a trusted zone again in these areas, and the market is starting to show some signs. As you can see my drawings here, the market is starting to show some signs that we may be looking to go up. So early in the morning, around like 6, I looked at the market and I saw this. I was like, okay. First, my market was like here, but then I remember, or I saw, that we have a zone just below this area. So for me, it's just a matter of patience. Do not be tempted to enter in these areas here. So that's all, patience for me. And then this is another sign. I like when these things happen. Another sign that the market is looking to reverse. And then here we started pushing up on the MACD. As you can see, the MACD went up, came back, broke the high of the MACD, went up again, and then it broke this low. You see this low on the MACD. This usually happens, and I call it a distraction before the actual move happens. I call it distractions before the actual move happens. And then the market went up, and unfortunately for me, I did not have the right entry to enter somewhere here. So I am not in this trade. I am not in this trade. My conditions, my entry conditions did not show me anything, or did not allow me to enter on this move right here. So I'll just keep on waiting for today and wait for my move. If this trade goes and it wins, it wins. That's it.